Hello, guys. Welcome to the seventh episode of this series, Programming with Python 101. So, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to do slicing with string and also how to modify a string. And finally, we will look at how to concatenate strings. So, I'll continue from there. Or let me clear everything. So, I'm going to have let me let me clear a equal to hello world. Okay, good. So if I want to slice, okay, so the slicing you're talking about is the meaning. I think the word also defines itself here. Okay, so let's say you have a cake, then you want to slice, you want to take part of the cake. Okay, so in that understanding, we can use it here. So we could say that this particular string that we have, we want to extract certain certain part of it. Okay, so let's say I want from um, here up to here. Okay, how could I achieve that? So what you can do is that I could say print a, then the square bracket will come. Now it has a start, okay, then a stop. All right, start and a stop. Now that is the formula. Okay, so I want to start from this L, okay, the second one. So I said earlier on that in programming we start counting from zero. So we have zero, one, two, three. So our start is going to be three. Okay, so three, four, five, six. So you want to end at six. So when you print this, okay, when you print this, you're going to get this guy. I'll run it. Now I get LO. Okay, LO. Now the reason why I get LO is the inclusiveness. Okay, inclusiveness. So I'll put, let's say, 7, then 4. Let's see. Okay, so OW. You understand? Good. So this is how we could what perform slicing. Now, what if we want to print from the beginning up to the fourth the fourth position? So I will say that colon then position number 5 because we start from 0. Understand? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you want to start, always you can leave from the beginning. If you want to start from the beginning, you can ignore the start, then put the end over there. Right, like this. So we have hello. Okay, likewise if you want to start from the bottom, okay, so I could have, let's say, 2 here, then I could ignore the 5, then you could run it, then we have this guy over there. Okay, so that is how we could slice a string. Okay, and it can also accept negative. Okay, so let's say I'll put -1. So -1 will start from the bottom. Okay, to pick everything and ignore the one at the last. That's the D. All right, good. So we could also look at how, so the above, I'll give a comment and say slicing. Okay, then we could see how we could modify our string. So modify, good. So we still have the A here. Okay, so let's say we want to print them in capital letters. Okay, let me put all these guys in lowercase. Okay, good. So we could say A dot, okay, then upper. All right, what I'll do is I'll put it in a print function. Okay, then I'll print this guy. All right, so we see it has changed everything to uppercase. Okay, So likewise, we can do print a dot lower. Okay, so let me do this. This is capital, and this, or let me do this. Let me say B is equal to hello world in capital letters. Okay, B. Then instead of A, we call the B. Okay, so we could testify. Okay, so we have all of them in the small letters. So we can have multiples of them. We could have print, then we say strip. Okay, strip. Then sorry, A dot strip. Okay, good. So if I run this, I'll still get my hello world. But the function of the strip is that it gets rid of spaces before and after at the beginning. So if I put a space here and I put a space here, the strip will take it out. Okay, will take it out. And we do this. This is very important. This is very, very important. You know, in a situation where, let's say, you want the user to input his password, okay, and mistakenly, okay, the password he added space before, he did space, okay, or after, and confirm password he did not, okay, to have an issue. So to get rid of that, we put stripe. Okay, in other languages is what trim. Good. So what we could also do is we could look at replace. So we have print, then I want to replace this capital H with capital J. Okay, so I could say B dot replace, okay, then I'll say replace H, okay, with, okay, J. So it takes two string, the one you want to replace and the one you want to replace with. So I'll run this. Then you see over here we have Jello world. Okay, so that is the replace. Then we could also look at split. Print, let me use B dot split. So I'll put comma here, then I'll run it. Okay, so now it has created an array of list for us. Okay, good. So we want to split where we have that hello world. So before that, you have to put this guy there. So I'll just so it will split them for us. See hello world. Okay, good. So we will look at concatenation. So give a comment and say concatenation or something. Concatenation is basically trying to add two string together. Okay, so I'll go to the top there. Then I'll have, okay, let's do everything in that concatenation thing. So let's say um, my info. Okay, I have a string called my info and say my name is Mohammed Amin. Okay, then full stop. Let's say I am, okay, um I am, let's say, okay, let's say my name is Mohammed Amin. Then I'll come here and say that my age equal to 18 years, still fresh boy. So when I'm done with that, then I could say um all info, okay, equal to, then I want to concatenate, I want to add my info plus um let's confirm this before. Let's say, let's call this another. Okay, let's say something, let's put anything over here. Okay, so another, okay, I'm trying to add my info and another together. Both of them are the same data type. They are all string data type. So I could say print all info. Okay, let me give a space to this guy so that it will separate. I will run it. Then we have my name is Muhammad Amin, then something. You see, it has concatenated successfully with no error. However, if I'm trying to concatenate my age, my age to this, then I run it, I'll get an error because I'm trying to concatenate string. So it says here that can only concatenate string to string, not integer. All right. So in order to achieve that, what we can do is that um, I could say that over here, I could um, say give this guy here. Okay, give this guy here. Then I'll put dot format. Then I'll put um, my age there. So let's see if this will work. Good. We still have that particular error. So we'll get rid of this guy. So what we'll do is that what we have to do is that we will say that okay, my name is, we'll get rid of this. So it's right, but then we're calling different um variables. So my info, okay, format, then this. All right, good. So we said my info, which is this variable, format my age. The reason why we had no error over there is because of this um brackets we brought over here, this bracket, okay, the curly bracket. So if you want to add numbers, okay, to your string, you can put these brackets. Then so I could have multiple of them. So let's say that is my age and my phone is, okay, then I can put another one. Okay, so I could say that phone number equal to something. Okay, so I could give um phone number over here. So when I run it, I'll have this. Okay, so it's supposed to be I can't have it this way. So this will not work. So let's say let me use a different number. So let's say 97. Okay, so I could have it this way. I just want you to understand it. Okay, so we have the first one picking the first parameter here. This one also picking this over here. So you could say that my name is Mohammed Amin. Age, which is 18, is my age. Phone number is 89, is my phone. You understand? So that is how to concatenate. Okay. Now we look at the last thing concerning strings, but then I'll leave a link in the comment section or the description section where you could see a whole functions of a group of functions on how to um, manipulate strings. Okay, good. So we look at escape character. Okay, escape characters. Now, I could have, let's say, new string. Okay, equal to, let's say, my nick, or let's say my other name is, let's say, star boy. Okay, then let's say I love it. I love it. Now, I don't know if you see what I want to do. I want to print star boy in quotation, right? In quote. Okay. If I do this, it will give me an error. Okay, so what I could do is that I could use backslash. Okay, then to escape that. You understand? So we have something like this. Okay, it will escape this. Okay, so it will escape the character. We call it escape character. So if I run this, you could see, okay, I've not printed it. So I could say print new string. Then I could say this. Okay, wow, where is that guy? It's giving an error. Okay, wow, I'm not supposed to use that guy. I'm supposed to use this guy instead. All right, still giving an error. How? Why? Wow. So this is supposed to be one like this. Sorry, I think it's this way. Mm, wow. So let me get this right. Okay. So let me see. Let me call this. Mhm. So my other name is, then the code shows. So what I could do is I could do this, then the code again. All right. So this is supposed to be that. So star boy. Hey, so what am I doing? Good. So that is it. Mhm. Good. So my other name is Starboy and I love it. So this is how we can escape the issue of double quote. Now if in case we want to go to the next line, we want to print the next line. So I love it should come to the button, the next line. So I could say that backslash then n. Okay, good. So I'll put this over here. Then you see my other name is Starboy. Then have the I love it here. Okay. Then we could have, in case of like a single quote, we could do the same thing and put a single quote over here. In case of a single quote. Good. So I think these are the basic requisites we could use to manipulate strings. So always when you want to know the other methods, other functions of string, you could put dot here. PyCharm will print a list of things you could do. Okay, you could use capitalize. So the function of the capitalize is to capitalize the first letter. Okay, the leading one. If it's a lowercase, to send it to uppercase. We could count, we could center a whole lot of things. Okay, good. So see you in the next episode. Bye bye.